find the infinite sum for this right here. All right, let's see. This one has the r, which is greater than 1, so there is no sum because it diverges. Number 2, okay, so here r is less than 1, so here r is less than 1, so that's good. So the infinite sum, again in our case a1 is 1, so I have 1 over 1 minus 1/3, so that would be 1 over 2/3, that would be 3 over 2, and that's your answer. Here we need to find the common ratio. If we know that a1 is equal to 1, the infinite sum is equal to 1.25. So what is r? So let's see if we can do that. So we know that the infinite sum is equal to a1 divided by 1 minus r, and then if we substitute we get 1.25 is equal to 1 over 1 minus r. So we need to find this r. We can use cross multiplication, and then we get 1.25 times 1 minus r is equal to 1 times 1, which is 1. Then instead of doing the distribution, I will simply divide it by 1.25 on both sides. This will cancel. I will have 1 minus r is equal to 1 over 1.25. And then once I rearrange everything, I will get r will be equal to 1 minus 1 over 1.25, and that will be equal to 0.2. So r is equal to 0.2. One more example. Find r if the first term is negative 4 and the infinite sum is negative 16 over 5. So I will say, I substitute, I will say negative 16 over 5 is equal to a1, which is negative 4, 1 minus r. And then from here we simply apply the algebraic manipulations to be able to find r. Maybe here I can find a shortcut. It looks like when I multiply this number by 4 times 4, negative 16, which also means that if I multiply this thing by negative 4, I can get to 5. So again, this is another way of going around cross multiplication. So I can say that 4 times 1 minus r will give me 5, okay? And I get it from just by looking at what I have here. So I will divide by 4 on both sides. 1 minus r is 5 over 4. Then I will subtract 1 on both sides. Again, negative r is 5 over 4 minus 1, which is 4 over 4, which is 1/4. And then finally, I will remove this negative on the other side, so we get r equal to negative 1/4. And that's my answer.